Welcome everyone to another Friday Clarity Night. And I'm falling in love with this Clarity Night. So as much as it clears for all of you, your questions, your energies, your contribution, your being on the call clears so much for me as well. So first of all, immense gratitude for all of you who take out your time and join these clarity nights. I'm so grateful to you. So and
We are very grateful to this contribution you're giving us, Tasneem ji.
yes, and all of us are being a contribution to each other. And how does it get even better than that? So,
Yes.
and today's topic, like, does anyone remember? Did anyone see the email that came to you, or what I had posted on the group? Or
Yes, I have read it.
yes, manipulation.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So does it excite you? Manipulation. Like how much are you in judgment of manipulation right now? Which if you would give up today and start using manipulation to create more consciousness in the world. And everything that does not allow you to be and do that, will you please destroy it and create it all times God's will.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. So couple gaslighting is different. So gaslighting is not the same energy as manipulation. Gaslighting is a subtle kind of abuse, I would say. Manipulation could is it's not on like it's not always with bad intentions of taking advantage. So that's what we are going to see in the call today, that we have this, like, somewhere down the line we have got this point of view with the word manipulation, that manipulation is when you are abusing someone, you are exploiting people, then only it's a manipulation. So everywhere you have got this point of view that manipulation is about the energy of abuse, gaslighting, exploitation. Will you please now destroy it and create it all times a Godzillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Everywhere you are not willing to manipulate people, which always keeps you at the effect of manipulation. Will you please now destroy it and create it all times a Godzillion? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So, how many times we are, like, see the energy of a salesman. A true salesman would manipulate you, and all the email, all the these posts that you see from the from me, say from I sent out an email today. I sent out a message, a poster, and I wrote something over there which was so much, it was an it brought you into that question, it brought you into that curiosity. Yeah, that, oh wow, so I had never thought that manipulation could be used as a tool tool to create something greater. And that made you, that attracted you to come on this call. So was it manipulation? It was a manipulation. Okay. And every time you buy, like, the what is the sales and marketing is all manipulation. And everywhere you don't see it as a contribution, and always as something which is to which takes away your choice. Will you please now destroy it and create it all times a concealing? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So when I am writing that post, or all the posts that you get from Access Consciousness, or some things which should just appeal to you. What if manipulation was that uh, irresistible invitation and extreme sense of appeal? What if it was that energy of sexualness which and sensuality which attracts people towards you, and everything that does not allow you to to use manipulation in that manner, and because of your judgment towards manipulation, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzilla? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, or nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, so what does manipulation mean to you? And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a godzilla?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, or nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So, as with all the energies, if you remember when we talked about abundance and receiving, we had said that when we talk, we have to be willing to receive every kind of energy, and none of the energy is good or bad. It's not right or wrong. So all of those are our judgments. There is no negative or positive energy as such. It's all it's all can be transformed into from one form to another. It is convertible. It can be turned into one form to another. And similarly, the energy of manipulation could be used to create anti-consciousness. It could be used to create unconsciousness. It could be used to create to cheat people. It could be used to abuse and exploit people, and it can also be used to bring higher consciousness. So what would it take for you to receive the energy of manipulation as an as a tool of consciousness? And everything that does not allow it, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion?
Yes.
Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, or nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And so what happens that so many times we all have been told right from the childhood that it's bad to manipulate. We have made manipulation so wrong in our universe, and every time, like, we have, like, how many times we have equated manipulation to cheating. Yeah, so if someone manipulated you to, even for a greater cause, like a friend of yours, they said something, they manipulated you to take you to a movie or a picnic or some fun activity, and then you, and how many times did you manipulate your parents to
Hmm.
choose like some to gift them to you, for them to gift you something, for them to allow you to go somewhere? How many times we have used manipulation, and everything that you bought at that point of time, that manipulation, you used it, and but then you felt all that guilt and shame for using that manipulation. Will you please now destroy and create it all times a godzillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shots, boys and beyonds.
Can I ask something here?
Yes, Hari. Yeah.
Okay. So first, I had a very bad impression about manipulation.
Hmm.
And then once I learned about it in Access,
Hmm.
that negative charge went off. So now
Hmm.
when I see somebody, first I used to get very angry when I would see people manipulating.
Yeah.
And I would be like, how can they do this? After I learned about manipulation and all of that in Access, I'm like, okay, when I see somebody manipulating, I'm like, oh wow, yeah, they're manipulating. And it's cool. But I have not started doing it.
Okay. So what is stopping you? So if, like, and whenever, if you what if you are already doing it, Harikiti, and you are not acknowledging it?
Hmm.
And what if you, like, if you are just like being aware that you having taken off that charge, that judgment of manipulation of others,
Hmm.
now you have created that space where you can choose to manipulate wherever you feel that it's going to create greater for you and greater for other person as well. So manipulation can be very well used to create a win-win situation between people, like when there is a condition, like a situation which is leading to conflict. It could be used for conflict management. If you are mediating between two people, if something is happening, even in other to other communication, when two others are talking about, how much can you manipulate to bring about a solution which would be create greater for everyone.
Yes.
Yes, so one of the most common forms of manipulation, can anyone tell me? What are you aware of manipulation? So right now, yes, Harikiti, what I'm hearing from you is that you are now getting aware that people, yes, he's manipulating, she's manipulating, and you are being in allowance of that. Yeah, that
Yes,
they
one
are
thing I
manipulating and there is
noticed,
nothing wrong with it. Yes.
I just acknowledged something that earlier I would get pulled into being the effect of manipulation when they would do it. I'm not getting pulled into being getting manipulated.
Yeah. And you might want to be manipulated at times
A choice, yes.
with a choice, that if you are totally aware that this manipulation is going to create greater, and
Okay.
you are willing to be manipulated, and like as we say that you can be willing to be controlled at times. So if, yeah, so if Gary and Dane control many a times, and then yeah, we allow ourselves to be controlled because we know that what it is going to create.
Yes.
Yeah. So Praveen, yes. So when boss, yeah, makes us work more time than office hours. Okay. So what? Okay. So you are aware that that is a manipulation. And yes, so being a manager, that boss would manipulate the his team members to work more, so to complete that project on time and create a situation where it would create greater for the team and at times even save their jobs. So Praveen, what is the, okay, what's the question? Yeah, so that's an awareness, I get it, that there is manipulation everywhere happening. One of the most common forms of manipulation we would see is when there is a when someone is lying and you just know that they are lying, or there is a truth with a lie attached. So there is a half truth and half lie. So that is one of the forms of manipulation. So everywhere, Praveen, if you can come, like if you can unmute yourself and speak, because that when you write in the private chat, only I am able to see that. So people won't get it. So I will highly appreciate if you can unmute yourself and speak. So that would make the conversation more interesting and create more consciousness for all of us, please. Yeah. So examples of what? I'm not getting your question. What examples are
Hello.
you looking for? Yes, Praveen.
Hello. You were talking about manipulations, right?
Yeah.
And you said that there are some what you said is there is something which is you know that somebody is lying, and then also yourself get manipulated, and you know that you are getting manipulated. So how is that?
Yes.
I just things are little unclear to me. So will you please elaborate on that?
Okay. So when you know that your someone is lying, like you are aware that they are lying. So everywhere you have made lying as immoral, as sin, as something not to be done. Will you please now destroy and create at all times a concilium?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
right
yes,
and
yes.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, or nine shorts, boys and
All
beyonds.
national points and
How many times have you lied in your whole life? Even in this life, forget about the past lifetimes. How many times have you, like, is there anyone on the call who can say that with full honesty that they have never lied in their life? None of us. Okay, so everywhere we
no
are,
one, no one.
yes, so everywhere we lie to ourselves that we would never lie. Will you please now destroy and create at all times possible? Did you there everywhere you lie to yourself? Every time you lie to yourself that I would never lie. Will you please now destroy and create at all times possible? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, or nine shots, boys and beyonds. So you have lied, you do lie, and you will keep lying. So everywhere you like hammer yourself, you tell yourself that no, I'm not going to lie now, and you make it a wrongness rather than just acknowledging that we do lie. And that's a way of manipulation. That is a way of manipulation we use many a times, because we don't want to tell people which would be unkind to them, which they would not be able to take it. So would telling the truth on face be kind to people all the times? It might not be. Yeah, so how much more awareness can you use in what you tell people by telling them exactly what they would like to hear, which would be kind to them and which would create greater for them. And that is one of the ways of manipulation. I think we talked about it in the last call also. So that is one of the ways you manipulate, and you tell people exactly what they would like to hear, and that way their barriers go down, they are willing to receive from you, and then you can create more communion with them, your relationship gets better, and also you can like drive them, you can lead them towards more conscious choices. And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you please destroy and create at all times a consider. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and
Yes.
beyonds. Yes. So, uh,
Somewhere it is
yes. Yes, Sarikirti.
somewhere it is written, right, for humanoids. This is a point of view humanoids hold, that if I am honest, I am straightforward, and I do everything like that, then everything will be fine, and everybody will,
We
they will
behave the
also,
same way. Yeah.
yes.
So everywhere you have bought this point of view that if you are good to people, if you are fair enough, if you always tell the truth and nothing but the truth, that person would uh, get back to you, would behave with you in exactly the same manner. And
Hmm.
when they don't do that, you feel cheated and dishonored.
Hmm.
So what if you would just trust that yes, people do lie, they would keep lying, and you don't even expect that whatever energy you are being to them, it's going to come back to you exactly the same
Hmm.
way. You can
Hmm.
be that energy more with the universe, but not with the people.
Hmm.
Yes, so what if you like all the projections, expectations, separations, judgments, and rejections that you create by expecting people to behave in exactly the same way with you in which you are behaving with them? Will you please now destroy and uncreate at all times a concealing?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, or nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So if you are not willing to manipulate, it's that when I say if you are not willing to manipulate, it's a choice that you give yourself, that if required, if it creates greater, I am willing to lie. I'm willing to manipulate. That doesn't mean that you always go there and lie.
Yeah.
It's not encouraging people to not to speak the truth. It's being in that energy that whatever is required, I'm willing to say that, I'm willing to be that energy, I'm willing to manipulate and lie if required, if it is going to create greater. So if you are not willing to be that energy, people would keep telling you lies. They would even be mean to you. They would take advantage of you. They would like they would gaslight you. Yeah. And they would abuse you, and you would not even get to know about it. So unless you are willing to be that energy, you will not be aware of that energy when it is given to you by other people. So that's why we say that if you are not willing to manipulate, you will always be at the effect of being manipulated. And everything that brought up, will you please now destroy and create it all times a godzillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So now, as Harikirti said, that she learned about more about manipulation. She got present with that while doing her foundation class, and then having done all those clearings and being aware of that energy. Now she's aware that where people are manipulating, and then she does not have to judge people who are manipulating. She would not be at the effect of being cheated and taken advantage of, where she has to give up her own being and her own benefits or anything. She cannot be manipulated. So, and then she does not have to even create separation and rejection of those people who are manipulating. Because if you keep judging those people that these are bad people, they cheat you, they manipulate you, and then you create a distance from them and you stop receiving from them, your barriers go up with those people. So how much of your receiving would be enhanced with all those great manipulators? So all the great businessmen, yeah, all those are great manipulators. They
Yes.
know how to manipulate while in their business meetings, in their board meetings, what they have to say, how to crack a business deal. That is all a manipulation. And they manipulate to create, like if you are aware of that manipulation and you start judging them, how much would you stop your receiving from
Hmm.
those people? You would never be able to do business with them. You would never be able to like uh, work as an employee with them, mm, with like without creating a separation and wrongness. Yeah. So everything that brought up, will you please destroy and create it all times a godzillion? Right and
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So everywhere you have decided that manipulation is wrong, bad, terrible, mean, and awful. Will you please now destroy and create all of that times a godzillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pork, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Yes, Swarnlata, manipulation in love relationships. Okay, okay, so like it's a very like it could be a lot of fun. And when you are in love, when you are having that romantic relationships are all about manipulation. So how much can you use that manipulation to seduce and draw your lover towards you? And everything that does not allow you to be and do that, will you please destroy and create it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So like all the like great romantic relationships that people have and they enjoy so much, and all of them like are like it's all manipulation. You tell your lover or your sweetheart exactly like how like what they would like to hear, that how beautiful they are or how handsome he is and all those things, and you create those energies and relationships with them. So how much fun can you have with manipulation in your relationships, which would without letting go of your awareness? So the thing is that you don't buy into that point of view as true. So you just enjoy it, you have fun with it, and with total awareness that yes, this is manipulation and I'm loving it. So how much fun can you have, and how much with manipulation that would create those sexual orgasmic creative energies into your universe, and everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that energy, will you please now destroy and create it all times a quadrillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Yes, Nita, it can be done with money. Yes, it can be done. Like what like it can be done with your clients, it can be done with your business partners, with anyone who are you are willing to go have a business deal with. And yeah, so it's you can do it everywhere, and you are already doing it many a times and you have not yet acknowledged it. So everywhere, everything that does not allow you to acknowledge the magic of manipulation that you are, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzilla. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So everything you have decided about manipulation and how wrong and bad it is, and everywhere you have decided that if you were just honest enough, everything would work out wonderfully with everyone and everybody would treat you nice. Everything that is times a quadrillion will you destroy and uncreate it, please. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How many of you swore to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So, every one of you who took those oaths, vows, fealties, formalities, swearing, or commitments, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, so Kapil. Okay, you manipulate spine.
Fine.
Okay,
Yes, yes. Adjust it properly.
okay,
That's my work to do.
great. So you are an orthopedics surgeon or something?
No, no, no. I am into chiropractic.
Chiropractor.
Yeah.
Okay, great, great. So yeah, so you are manipulating the body.
Yeah. Spine. Most of the time spine only. 90%
Hmm.
time.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes. So Kapil is already using manipulation to heal people and bring more consciousness. And actually, you every one of us is doing it. Just the thing is that we are not right now doing it consciously, and we are judging it. We might be judging it. We are might be going into the wrongness of it, and we are getting at the effect of it with that sense of rejection and being cheated.
Can I ask you something, Tasneem? Trupti here.
Yes, yes, Trupti.
So, I have heard it several times. Even if we lie and, we try to build a relation or we try to save a relation by lying.
Hmm.
But I have heard of it, it doesn't last long. झूठ की उम्र लंबी नहीं होती है. It doesn't last long. The relation will not last long.
there won't be the charm in the relation what we expect, be it anything.
Hmm.
इसलिए झूठ so we shouldn't lie.
Hmm.
So any relation which is built on a lie doesn't last long. That's something.
Yeah, so there are two things, like when you are lying from that energy of manipulation, where you are not buying into that lie. So what we tend to do is that okay, so when we talk about relationship, Tripti, so Gary always says that never expect that anyone would change anytime. Okay, so you meet a person, there is something like, so probably they are their energy with finances, that the way they may manage finances is not the way you would like to be with money, say. Yeah, so they have their spending habits might be so weird, or they are always there, they are borrowing money or whatever it is. You would, and they would say that I will be with you once I'll get married, once I'm committed, once I have children and all of that, and then I would change. Yeah. So, and then you buy into that. So when you are totally aware, expect people that they would continue to be doing the same thing. You might like it. You might say that, yes, this person is willing to change for me, and I know that he's never going to change. And then you check with yourself that is is still living with this person, choosing to be spending my life with this person, would it be a contribution or not? So the problem comes in that when you you are unconscious of that lie, and then we start making that person wrong for lying. We start judging. We would forget everything good about that person, what contribution that person could be for your living, for for your money flows. They might be having a very bad spending habits, but they could be a great contribution for your income, for your money flows. But then you would not be able to see past their lie, into their even be into their contribution, and be in gratitude for them. So be
I get
aware
that.
of the lie, but never buy into that lie as truth.
I get that what you're saying, that is other person trying to manipulate me and I get caught, or rather I get, I mean, I am
You
ready
don't
to be
resist to it.
manipulated.
Yes,
Yeah, I
you
don't
don't
resist.
resist it. You
Yeah,
don't
sure.
resist or react to it, and you are being totally aware that this is like this is a manipulation game, like that he's playing, and I'm enjoying that manipulation game. I'm willing to manipulate if required, and together we are creating, like, I'm with total awareness, creating something different.
Yes, but I had, slightly different questions. So
Hmm.
say, a live example I'll tell you.
हाँ, so
My
you said
mom
that
doesn't.
झूठ की क्या झूठ की, that's an interesting point of view.
Yeah,
झूठ की क्या, can you repeat that?
life. Yeah, a
Hmm.
life of a lie is not longer, as they say.
Okay, so and we are all living a life of lies. That's
Okay.
what I asked. So are you always like, first of all, can you, Tripti, can you claim that you have never lied?
No, no, I have lied. I'm not denying. But
Hmm.
my question here was,
Let me, yes, so
yeah,
I
yeah,
get
please.
me let me ask you some questions on that. And how many times people have told you lie and you have not been able to catch the lie, and then you felt very bad about it, that I couldn't catch their lie?
Several times. Yeah.
Several times, yeah. So what if, would you like to be that energy where you would just know that whether this person is lying or is he telling the truth? Would it be,
Yeah,
would
I
it
would
create
like to
greater
be.
for you?
Yes, yes.
And for that you have to be willing to lie, and you have to give up all those points of views, those judgments that you have about lying. तो
Okay.
all that charge that you have and all those points of views के झूठ की लाइफ कभी जिंदगी कभी लंबी नहीं होती है, और फिर भी हम देखते हैं कि पॉलिटिशियंस जो इतना झूठ बोलते हैं उनकी लाइफ बहुत लंबी होती है. जो
That's true.
बिजनेसमैन है जो कि लाई बोल रहे हैं, तो एवरीवेयर यू हैव, कैन यू सी दैट यू हैव बॉट अ लाई, दैट झूठ की
Yes.
लाइफ कभी लंबी नहीं होती है. कैन यू क्लेम
But
दैट?
there is other person lying is okay. But if I am lying it, then I will have so many point of views about it.
Yes, because
Lie
you
Other
with
have
like
not
confidence,
allowed
no?
yourself. You have not allowed yourself to lie, and that doesn't mean that you actually lie. So what Harikirti just now shared, that with that total awareness, she has given up that charge of people manipulating and lying to her, and she is now able to receive from them. She is
no,
not
no. My
judging.
question is not receiving the manipulation and not receiving about lie. My question is about me lying and me, manipulating someone. It's
Hmm.
about that. So say simple. I want to spend on something, be it any apparel or I want to buy a course, anything.
Hmm.
And maybe it's like my family is not allowing me. They're saying it's so expensive. Why are you buying it? Don't. So at times I feel like I buy it at $1,000 and I tell them it's only for 100, 200. So that makes them feel happy to 100, 200 is spend correct.
Okay.
But I also got 1,000 rupee worth whatever I wanted it to be.
Hmm.
Many times I feel like manipulating them like this or lying to them like
Yes.
this, but then I avoid.
Yes. Yes. So how much you are manipulating to create greater for your body? How happy does your body feel when you wear that coat?
Yeah.
Yeah. So would you like be more like, would you be more of an honoring for your body and buy those things which would feel good to your body and honor your body, rather than like buying your family's point of view that one should buy cheap clothes and live a cheap life? So you are doing a great work, Trupti. Already you are being more conscious and being an honoring and communion with your body, and everywhere you have, because of this point of view that you have bought in some lifetime from or from someone, which is making you think that you manipulating your family members by not telling them the actual cost of that coat, you are uh, doing something wrong. Will you please now destroy and create it all times accordingly?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. So, guys, would you be please more be kind to yourself? So, another thing, Tripti, tell me that is it, do you buy that coat from your family's money or your own earned money?
No, my own money.
Okay, so yeah, it's your own money. Now, uh, so whom are you harming by, like, whom are you harming by telling them that I bought this coat by in $100 because you know that that would make them, that would make your family members be more comfortable, that you
Yes.
are not ever overspending. But are you
Hmm.
taking away, are you cheating them, are you stealing from them, are you taking away from them anything?
No. It's all mine.
No. So then everywhere still you make yourself wrong, that you are doing something like, because you lied, so therefore you have something, it would have a consequence. Will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a consequence? Yes,
Yes.
it would have a consequence that your body would be, feel more happy and it may live longer.
Okay.
So what if you can now manipulate with lot of fun, with lot of happiness, rather than going into that guilt?
But where I get stuck, I feel that other person, not only this moment at the example, but I am able to manipulate other person because the person is trusting me so much. So am I betraying his trust? I'm
Hmm.
able to manipulate not because I am smart, but because he trusted me so much.
Okay, so
That is where I
like,
get
so
stuck.
no, so you have to look at it that what did it create for them, what did it create for you and for them, and what did it create for the whole of consciousness? Did it make them go to some like very bad place where they felt very pathetic, or did you did they land themselves into a financial crisis or anything?
No. Later on, when they come to know about it, they feel that I lied to them.
So can you
So
laugh it
especially it
off?
happens at my family.
Yes, accept. Yes,
तू झूठ
हाँ, I
बोला
lied.
तूने.
हाँ, मैंने बोला, झूठ बोला. Okay. So what if you could be that? So if you don't have that judgment of about lying, you can be truthful about your lying as well. Yes, हाँ झूठ बोल दिया था. My son does it very nicely. My younger son, he does it so nicely. हाँ मम्मा झूठ बोल दिया. And there is nothing, and then I'm blank. What to do now? So what if you could be like so truthful, if required, even about your lying? So it's the energy where you have created something more fun and joy for you and for others as well, where you don't have that necessity to prove that yes, I'm the most truthful person on the earth, and I never lie. You don't have that necessity to prove that.
Yes.
Does it give you more freedom, or does it give you more freedom when you say that I would always prove, even when I'm lying, I would like to hide that, and I would like to like never know about it, and I cannot laugh on my own lies. Yes, and I cannot allow others to lie. It gives a lot of freedom actually. And from that space of freedom, you can even speak, like choose to speak the truth. Yeah. So
Yes. Thank you.
yeah. Now, so lie to everybody else and be bluntly honest with you. So what we humanoids do is we buy all the other people's lies. We don't want to see that they are lying, and we always believe that they would always speak the truth. So we are not willing to look through it, and what we do is we may, while lying to others, even we start lying to ourselves. So don't ever lie to yourself. Don't buy people's lies, and don't ever lie to yourself. Be bluntly honest to yourself that yes, I'm lying, and I'm lying it. What like if you have a charge around lying, and even then you have to lie, many a times what we do that we buy into, we also prove to ourselves that that lie is the truth. Yeah, so you don't have to actually, you can tell yourself that yes, I'm lying, and it's okay to lie. I'm lying consciously. I'm lying to create something which would be which would be like more honoring of the other person, and would be more honoring of myself, and therefore I'm lying. And then you don't have to tell yourself that no, I'm telling the truth, and I would have to prove something about it. There is no need of proving it, and then you don't buy into the lie. And everything that brought up, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, so any questions on that?
Can I ask?
Yes, Neeta.
Once we come to know that the person is lying and we have found out, next time we'll never trust him, isn't that?
So, okay, you would always trust them that they are going to lie.
Okay.
So it's not that you don't trust them, you trust them that they would lie. You have that awareness that they lie, they do lie, and you can ask what, yes. So one tool I would like to give you, it's an amazing tool. When you are talking to people and when you are asking them questions, silently in your mind, in your head, add the word truth. And then that person would give out something in their conversation which would give you all the awareness about where that person is lying and where that person is saying the truth. So
Thank you.
use the tool truth.
Okay.
Yeah, and you would get to know it. So what you have to be, why do we feel disappointed and bad about people lying? Because they lied to us, and we couldn't make out at that point of time that they are lying, and or even if we make out that yes they are lying, we go into that proving thing that now I will prove to you that how big a liar you are. So what if you don't have to fight people and even prove them wrong when they are lying? You just get the awareness that yes they are lying, and how can I use this to my advantage? How you can start using people's lies to your advantage rather than being cheated by their lies. And everything that does not allow you to be and do that, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a concealing. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. And like when you just know that yes this person has this is lying, and this thing like so for example, if I'm giving some contract to someone, I would like to get something as I'm going to buy some services from someone, and they say that I'm going to, like say I'm giving a website to be built by someone, and they tell me that it's going to be done in this much amount of time, and these all features would be available and all of that. And I just catch them that lie, that it's not going to happen. I just know that it's not going to, they are just lying over that something over there. I would not deal with them. I don't have to tell them that no, it cannot be done. I don't have to fight them. But then because I have total awareness that there is some manipulation that they are doing, there is a lie over here, which I would, and like I would not, I may want to ask more questions around that, or I may just want to like not go along with that deal. So it gives you more power and choice. Your awareness is your greatest power. Yeah. So being aware, you would just know that how much, what can you trust that other person to be. Yeah. So like people, they have this
Hello.
like thing about time, or that they would get back to you on that particular day, and they would get deliver it, and you just know that they would not do it. They have not been doing it every time, and so what I do is, yes, that person would deliver. They don't, they are like, they are not very they are not in integrity with time. So then I just know that yes, they are going to be that way. So I have to send them more reminders. I don't have to make them wrong. It's that's the way their way of functioning is. So I have to give them more reminders. And still I can receive from them. I can deal with them. Yeah. Yes. Praveen, you had a question.
Yes, ma'am. So what I wanted to ask that if there is a situation, so according to the situation, the best that we think, so whether it is lie or whether it is truth, so that we should use, and which will benefit us as well as the person. Means both the parties will get benefited.
Aren't
That's
you
what you are
already
trying.
doing it? Are you not already doing it?
Yes, perhaps doing it, not
Yes.
aware of it, perhaps.
Yes. So we are we are already doing it. Like as Tripti had shared like a few minutes back, that like she's doing it. But then what we do is, because we have bought into that lie, that what's so that's a typical example, Praveen. What you are saying is that how much are you lying to yourself that I'm not doing it?
Yes,
Because
yes,
you
yes.
have made it wrong. So that's what we are saying in this, that lie to everybody else and be bluntly honest with you. So we lie to
Yes.
everybody else that we are already doing it. We lie. And then what we tell ourselves, नहीं, मैं तो झूठ नहीं बोलता. And we don't even acknowledge it. So yes, I do use it, and then you don't have to get into the wrongness of you, and you can be bluntly honest with yourself that yes, it was not true, and I said it because that was at that moment I felt that would be an honoring of that person, and that would be more kind to them, and that would
Absolutely.
create something greater in their life.
Right. And
So
perhaps
for
it is because
example,
of our ego also.
yes.
Because of our ego also, perhaps.
Okay, so let's not get into ego right now, because that would bring up like
Okay.
all a different kind of a conversation. Like for example,
Fine.
someone, like we do it so many times when someone has cancer, say, or some life threatening disease, and many a
Okay.
times it's family members, they don't tell it to that person because they know that even if they get to know that they have cancer, it would just kill them even before going through the treatment, and then
Absolutely.
they would reveal that to them in a more subtle manner at the right moment when they are able to take it. So isn't that lie? Isn't that a manipulation which is kinder to that person?
Absolutely.
Yes. So what we do is we are already doing it, but then फिर हम सत्यवादी हरिश्चंद्र अपने आप को बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं, बनने की कोशिश करते हैं, जो कि हम हैं नहीं. Right? So what we are, then we become like we lie to ourselves that no, I never lie. So, and we tell ourselves that this only was the truth. So, and that's how we make all our lives as truth, and we buy them as truth, rather than just being totally aware that this is a lie, and I'm bluntly honest with myself that yes, I lied because the situation demanded it, and it was a scenario where it would have created greater for everyone required. And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and uncreate at all times, Kotzilin? Right and wrong, good and
Yes,
bad,
yes,
pot and
yes.
pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So this conversation of truth and lies has been so much like in our belief systems due to our religions also, that we have been taught that jhoot bolna paap hai, and then like it's like that if you lie, it's going to, and if you manipulate, so not saying things or hiding things or not revealing something at certain points of time, isn't it also a lie, or isn't it a manipulation? And we do it so much. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Ranjali, I was like reading your message on the chat box. So Ranjali, what question do you have over here? Do you have a question?
Tasneem, I'm going through cancer for the third time. So I just joined in between, so I
Yes.
don't know actually what's going on.
And that cancer conversation was going on, that if someone is having in the family. So we are talking about manipulation.
Okay.
So what manipulation can you use with your cancer and with your conversations to yourself about living the life more joyfully, rather than having that need to get out of certain situation which you create again and again in your body to get out of it somehow.
Okay.
And everything that does not allow you to perceive no be and receive that. Will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So,
Ranjali.
So,
Ranjali.
Ranjali, yes, no, I
Yeah.
was like, there is a, like Namrata, yes, I can, probably like Ranjali started speaking, so I couldn't hear you. You can like, I'll take your question next once I'm able to like finish with Ranjali. So Ranjali, like, what are you dying to get out of? If you could be brutally honest to yourself about that, rather than lying to yourself that there is nothing that I'm trying to get out of. What
No,
if you were brutally honest?
There are situations which I want to get out of, actually.
So get out of them. Get out of the situations rather than trying to get out of your body. So everywhere you have decided that in order to get out of those situations, you would there is no way to get out of those situations unless you get out of your body. Will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or 9 shots, boys and beyond. So for some people, like if their say relationship is not working, and they think that there is no way they can live without their spouse or without their family, and they would kill their body, but then they would remain in that relationship. So what is the value of killing your body rather than killing your limitation? And everything, yes, and everything that does not allow you to perceive, no, be and receive that. And be that killing energy with those limitations, which rather kills your body. Will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So what is that situation? What would it take for you to resolve that situation, change that situation, or get out of that situation with total ease? And everything that does not allow it, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or 9 shots, boys and beyonds.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Will we get the recording for this?
Yes, you will.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Yes, Dr. Namrata, you would like to like unmute yourself, please.
Yeah, am I audible?
I can hear you.
At the right time. You are sharing amazing awareness. I'm so grateful, and I was asking for this. Thank you so much.
How does it get any better than that? And can you acknowledge that what a magic you are to be at the right time, at the right place to receive whatever you are looking for?
Yeah.
And everything that does not allow you to acknowledge that and be brutally honest with yourself about that. Will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or 9 shots, boys and beyond. So that is another thing that we do. We all are magic, and we are, in order to be so humble and so like about that we don't even acknowledge that our own magic.
I know.
And everywhere you are not willing to be that arrogant magic.
Wow.
Be that arrogance with your magic, totally acknowledging it, brutally honest with yourself that yes, I am the magic and it's not a coincidence. I created it. Will you please now destroy and create it all times a quadrillion?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. So 2 things. Lie to people if required. And another thing, yes, be truthful, be honest, but to whom? To yourself. What we do is we do the other way around. Yes, we don't honor ourselves. We tell ourselves lies. We buy all other people's lies, and we try to be truthful to others, and then we don't catch people when they tell lies, when they are manipulating us with bad intentions, and then we feel that this universe is unfair, and why am I being cheated, and why am I being at the effect of this all these bad energies of the universe, even when I am being so truthful. And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and create at all times a conceiving. Yes. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So Swanlata, for it's like bitter feeling after my being manipulated. So it's being in allowance. Interesting. Wow. So what you can do is, whenever you go at that, yes, they had manipulated. Wow, what a great, acknowledge them, that person, for what a great manipulator they were, and laugh at yourself for being manipulated, and be in interesting point of view. I have this point of view that they manipulated me, and it has, okay. And another thing, Swandata, how much more manipulation energy would you have to be in order not to be manipulated without you getting aware of it?
Hello.
So what if you could outcreate that person in their manipulation? Not in the sense that you actually manipulate them, but then you become such a great manipulator that anyone who is manipulating you, you just come to know about it. Yes, and everything that brought up, will you please destroy and uncreate at all times, a God save it. Praveen, a request to repeat the techniques to find out someone lying. Truth. So you use the word truth. So it's like, it's not just like to make out when someone lying. When you are going for a meeting, when you are talking to people, when you are talking to someone which is a crucial communication, and you would just like to know what is going on over here, when they are speaking, you just, or when you are asking them a question, silently add the word, like, so truth, and then ask the question. And even when they are speaking and they are just going to say something, you tell to, in your mind, truth. So what you are asking the universe is for that truth of that conversation, truth of them, to come out with total ease. And then they would utter some word, the truth would fall out of their mouth. They would just say something which would actually uh, give you the whole awareness of the situation and of that person, that what part of it is true and what part of it is lie. You will get to know it. You'll have the awareness of it. Truth, Truth, truth. That is the word that you say.
Hi, Tasneem.
Yes, hi.
Sonia here. If we know like someone is manipulating us and someone is taking advantage of us, like what can we do at that time? Should we say any clearing statement for that?
So what do you mean when people are, what does
Like
taking
people are
advantage
trying.
mean to you?
Yeah, like work-wise, if someone is trying to take advantage or trying to manipulate our work, something.
Okay.
So
So
if we know,
which gives them gives them the credit for what you have done? That's what do you mean?
yeah, like they know that the credit is they are getting is through us, but they don't want to prove that. Like they don't want to show it off. Like they don't want to be into that awareness that that credit what they're getting is because of us. Like
They don't want to acknowledge it and
yeah,
get known
basically
to
they
the
don't want.
world.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So okay. So if you are totally aware that if you are asking questions, if you are using this truth, the tool of truth, and if you are just willing to manipulate people, That doesn't mean that you take advantage of people, but if you are willing to manipulate, then, and if you are aware that yes, here this person would not give me credit, they would take away my credit, my boss is going to take away the credit of the work that I have done, or my colleague is going to take away the credit. So what manipulation can you use at that point of time? So whom would you like to tell about it? Whom would you like to? Okay, so for example, I would give you an example that I have been in situations when I was in job, when I would know that my immediate boss is never going to tell my CEO or my on-site client my work that I have done. And so in what subtle communication, in what meeting, I have to let my CEO or my someone else know that this part I am doing. Or I have to like just utter those words in the, I have to be at the right place at the right time, and not give them all the niches and intricacies of the solutions that I have built, so that they have to actually come back to me for that knowledge. So everywhere, like what we do is, हमको तो सब बता के रख देना है. We have to reveal the whole of truth. We have pledged in some lifetime, so we have to give them away everything. Yeah, and then we land up being nowhere. So that is also another kind of manipulation that you can use, that you are not taking away the credit of others, but you are getting the credit for work that you have done.
Okay.
Yeah, so again, I'll run that clearing. So everywhere you swore to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth about everything, even about your work, whatever you are doing, and never to manipulate and let people know your truth. Will you please now destroy and create it all times of God's saving?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So when you are being that energy of just telling the truth and the whole of truth, how much of your truth gets visible to the people? It's hidden. Yeah, your truth never comes out, but because you are never able to boast about what all things you have done, the magic that you have done, that you have created. You would never say that. You would be that good, humble person. And that is the truth of you. And the truth of you always remains hidden. Yeah. So, instead of telling the truth, what if you could be the energy where the phenomenons, the potency, the truth of you gets visible, gets seen with total ease to the whole of the universe. And everything that does not allow it, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times of God's will?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So yes, Dr. Namrata, like it's for all of us. It's we are all humanoids, so we all will resonate with that for sure, because we have done that, like we always, as humanoids.
Wow.
We are that. We always do that.
Can we
to ourselves? Yes.
Can we receive from gaslighters?
Yes, you can. Why not?
And like, how can we know like when to keep them as a company, or sometimes it can be poisonous, right? So, what is that boundary, or how to get to know? Because they are sometimes.
So can there be a oneness and communion if there are boundaries?
Boundaries, like, it's not. I'm not saying the walls, but sometimes they try to pull you down, and also that time I'm
your
not choosing.
awareness and your willingness to be every energy that is required. So what killing energy can you give them that would never that would be so freaking terrifying to them that they never dare do that to you again?
Wow.
And everything that does not allow you to be that energy, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a constant. Titanium, good and bad, pot and pock, all 9 shorts, poison, beyonds. So you can be that energy to people that dare you, you cannot do this to me, and still have that communion with them where you can receive from them. Because you are being that energy when for that particular thing that they do, for that particular behavior that they have, you are not cutting yourself off from them. What we do is we start creating a separation from those people, and we stop receiving from them. That when we create boundaries, what we are doing, we are creating a comfortable distance, that I will keep this much separate, that is the boundary. इससे दूर ही रहेंगे तो अच्छा है. If I get too closer to that person, if that boundary is like I get beyond that boundary, I would give them the right to hurt me.
No, it's not like that. Many times I again went, like myself only went, but then I have seen when it's like sometimes they get.
So what if you could cross those boundaries, being that killing energy? So you went there, but how many times were you that killing energy, that if you do that to me again, if you are unkind to me, if you say those mean things to me, I can also do that, and I can like it's not going to work for me.
When they are your close friends or near ones, no, they वो प्यार से ये करते, you know, so
that is gaslighting. That is what gaslighting जब प्यार से करते हैं.
प्यार से मतलब
they do it subtly. They do it in a way as if it's not. That is gaslighting. So I will take Praveen. I will take another clarity night on gaslighting, or like so. It's another conversation. Let's not get into it right now. Yes.
So Tasneem, this manipulating, if someone is manipulating us, if we are manipulating in the same way, if we are manipulating them, so that's fair enough, right?
What are you aware of? So anything which makes you laugh, and so it is light for you. Yes?
Yeah, yes, definitely,
and
yes.
Everything that is light for you is your truth. That is true for you. So
Great.
anything that is true for you would make you feel light, and it would bring a smile on your face. So yes, manipulate them. Outcreate them in their manipulation.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have just cleared my guilt, actually. I was thinking like we should not go in that way. Don't
actually, what we do is that's what what Trupti shared was a great contribution to every one of us, is that we actually do it. We actually do it, but then we go into a guilt. We feel that we are doing something wrong and we are lying, and it would not create something, it would have bad consequences.
True. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
I have another question. Actually,
yes, Namrata.
I bought into someone's, like the lady, like she believes in truth. I think I bought into that thing, and you know, whenever now, like
spiritual
I just
thing.
No, not spiritual, but वो थोड़े बड़े हैं एज से, तो they are like मैंने unknowingly buy कर लिया कि नहीं truth ही बोलना है, ठीक है. तो you know, if I मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा भी लाई करती हूँ, like ना once I was busy and I just shared कि मेरा वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा है, so next day सच में वाईफाई बंद हो गया. So वो true, you know.
So okay, so now that's that, Namrata, thank you so much. So you said that lie, therefore, but then you had a guilt attached to it, and you wanted to prove that yes, Wi-Fi वाकई में नहीं चल रहा है. Exactly. You had a need to prove that even what I lied has to be truth. so that I don't get caught. And then you created के Wi-Fi वाकई में बंद हो गया.
हाँ, like it
Yeah.
is.
So if you could be brutally honest with yourself कि हाँ वाईफाई तो चल रहा है, मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि अभी ये मेरे को वर्कआउट कर रहा है, मुझे इस कॉल पे नहीं जाना है या मुझे अभी इनसे बात नहीं करनी है, तो इनको मुझे यही बोलना है कि वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा है. And be brutally honest with yourself that I'm doing it to create this so that I don't have to be on this call. So, and
Yeah.
or whatever it is, that was just an example. If you could just be that energy, your Wi-Fi would not actually go down.
Okay, so I have to have this conversation with myself, but I
Yes.
was really not aware when I did that. Next day मैंने next day जब ऐसा हुआ, I'm like अरे मतलब I got this awareness कि no, there is something which is required to shift here, you know.
And
And there are few incidences like that.
Yes, and like when that lady who is saying that सबको truth बोलना चाहिए, कुछ बात ना उनके साथ ही truth बोल दो उनकी बातों से, and you would know where all she's lying.
Yeah, that I know. मुझे पता नहीं था ऐसा होने वाला है. This was like somewhere unknowingly, you know.
Yes.
That guilt and all. So thank you for that.
Yes.
You know, when I ask truth, I get the awareness, but you know, I get it after few days, and then it is like a थोड़ा time waste हो जाता है. So how can we have a quick awareness? Like, what will it take me to
It's a
develop that?
muscle that you build.
Yeah.
And how many times you know it instantaneously, but you are looking for some justification or proof of it. You don't trust your knowing. So we have this funny thing कि जब तक कुछ externally इसका justification नहीं दिख जाएगा, तब तक हम अपने ही knowing में believe नहीं करते.
Wow, you just got it. Yeah. Like, you know, I'm looking for something, you know, something to show.
Some indication outside which would prove that yes, whatever you were thinking was right. And that shows up, that indication comes up from the universe after a couple of days, and then only you are willing to believe, trust yourself with your knowing, with your awareness. So what if you could, how much trust would you have to build in yourself so that you can just acknowledge and believe that whispers of awareness that come to you.
Yes, in fact, I do have a capacity. Like I can tap, you know.
Yes, but then you don't trust it till you have something else that is going on in external world to prove it to you.
So it is not like sometimes I didn't get the clear awareness, but it is always some doubt. नहीं, कुछ तो है जो मुझे जानना है. There is something missing.
And so then yes, yeah. And at that time, probably that awareness would pop up after some time, but it does come up.
Yeah, exactly.
It shows up. Yeah.
So how can I develop that muscle? Like, what can I ask so that quick awareness will show up? I am not saying चलो एक दिन में ही develop हो गया, but how can I?
What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracles, mysteries, and possibilities can I be to receive all the truth and awareness in the flicker of a second with total ease?
Wow.
And everything that does not allow it, I destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Yeah. So run that clearing. Run that clearing couple of times. So what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracles, mysteries, and possibilities can you be that would allow you to receive the truth and awareness in flicker of a second with total ease? And everything that does not allow it, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzilla?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And when you do receive that awareness, just like trust it.
Yes.
Don't go into doubt.
Yes.
So how many times we start doubting and we want something else outside to prove it to us before we would actually trust it.
Yes.
Yes. And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzilla? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds.
I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Namrata, for your questions. They have been a contribution to everyone on the call. Thank you so much.
You are amazing how you tap into energy, like even before asking the question, it's just amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I would like to just remind you a gentle reminder that I'm starting with the program that I had mentioned last time, Harness Your Power to Create, which would involve 20 minutes of energy pulse every morning at 9 a.m. for 10 days starting from tomorrow, and group SOP sessions at every night for 10 days. So this program I'm starting from tomorrow. It's just for, like, it's an offer price. It's the gift for this month. I'm offering it at just 1100 rupees. So you still have tonight to hop on to that program. It would be amazing. I have done it twice before in April and May, and both the times people have created amazing results there. Stuck money has recovered, something has changed, people have found jobs, something changes, something shifts in those 10 days. So I would like to be that invitation for you all to jump on that program for this next 10 days starting from 3rd April. It would be till 3rd April to 12th of April. So if you are choosing it, the link is already there on the Telegram group. And if you want the registration link, you can again get in touch with me. And
not April, Tasneem, October.
No, I did it in April and May. Oh, okay. I
You
say
just said
3rd of October.
Yeah, you said 3rd April.
Yes, so I was saying I did it in April, and again April came in. Yes. So, and how does it get even better than what we created in April? Yes. How much more, how much greater can show up in this program for the next 10 days. So do hop on, and then I'm doing a foundation class, an online foundation class starting from 15th of October, 15, 16, 17, 18. 15, 16, 17, 18. 4 days of foundation. It would be an online foundation class. So manipulation is one of the topics that I have picked up from the foundation manual, which we talked about. And there are so many other amazing topics and body processes and entity awareness and clearing of entities that you get from this foundation class, which is like a whole plethora of tools and processes which you can use to change everything in your life and for others as well. So if you are giving sessions to people, you have so much more available as body processes, and with the like MTBSS, BMM, and 2 more body processes that we do in the foundation class. And also with all that entity awareness, your sessions get much more powerful. Even if you are facilitating a class, a workshop, this awareness that you receive, which with all the processes, clearings, and tools from the foundation class, it gets it gets to another level. So that is another invitation for all of you to hop on and have more fun, and with similar ease as we did with manipulation topic in today's call, with total ease, with total awareness and expansive energies, which we would be covering all the topics of the foundation class. Even if you are repeating, you would get different kind of energies in this class. I will share the link for the program in the Telegram group. Namrata, it's already there in the Telegram group.
Okay. Yeah, I'll ask.
It's for that energy pulse. So in Telegram, the good thing is that even the previous messages, even when you joined, even before that, all the messages would be there. And I'll just check. If it is not there, I'll just put a reminder. I'll put a message and reply to that so that you get to know.
Yeah, okay. And can you recommend, is there any book in Access which we can read it for manipulation and to explore more?
There is no book.
No book.
There is no book as such. It's a topic from the foundation class.
Foundation. Okay.
it's a topic from the foundation class. So if you have not yet done a foundation class, it is an invitation for you to hop onto the foundation class, and for much more.
Yeah.
Yeah, many more tools. Yes. Okay, Namrata. So see you, all of those who are choosing those energy pulse and SOP combinations for the next 10 days in your in this Harness Your Power to Create program. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. So bye for now. Thank you all for joining in.
Thank
and
you,
have a
Tasneem.
wonderful weekend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.